डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज हम यूपी पीजीटी 2000 पार्ट 1 के पेपर को सॉल्व करेंगे। आप लोग जानते होंगे कि बोर्ड कुछ ना कुछ क्वेश्चंस को रिपीट करता रहता है, अतः सॉल्व पेपर्स आपके लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होगा। तो आइए बिना देर किए इसे स्टार्ट करते हैं। हैमलेट्स क्वेश्चन, टू बी और नॉट टू बी। यहाँ पर टू बी और नॉट टू बी का क्या अर्थ है? It means to live or to die. To live or to die. Which of the following sentence has the figure of speech called apostrophe? The figure of speech apostrophe is in this sentence. Patriotism, what horrors are done in your name? Patriotism, what horrors are done in your name? An apostrophe is a direct address to the dead, to the absent, or to a personified object or idea. Which of the following words is onomatopoeic word? Onomatopoeic word is buzz, buzz. The statement, namely happiness is but an occasional episode in the general drama of pain, contains the figure of speech called. In this sentence, the figure of speech is metaphor, metaphor. When the sound of a word resembles the sound it denotes, the figure of speech is onomatopoeia, onomatopoeia. The repetition of vowel sounds in a sequence of nearby words is called assonance, assonance. What is the name of an implied simile? The name of an implied simile is metaphor, metaphor. What is a direct address to the dead, to the absent, or to a personified object or idea? That is apostrophe. Apostrophe is a direct address to the dead, to the absent, or to a personified object or idea. What is the figure of speech when the real meaning is exactly the opposite of that which is expressed by words apparently? That figure of speech is irony, irony. What figure of speech has been used in the following line? All the perfumes of Arabia cannot sweeten this little hand. This line contains hyperbole, figure of speech. Hyperbole, figure of speech. The movement of return to nature has to do with the romantic age. The romantic age. What played the most important part in shaping Ernest Hemingway's literary creations like Farewell to Arms? Experiences of war. Experiences of war played the most important part in shaping Ernest Hemingway's literary creations like Farewell to Arms. Which of the following poets wrote the poem entitled Dover Beach? Matthew Arnold. Matthew Arnold wrote the poem entitled The Dover Beach. Matthew Arnold wrote the poem entitled Dover Beach. Dover Beach was published in 1867. The imaginary county Yoknapatawpha occurs in the novel of Faulkner. The Wasteland was published in 1922. The phrase willing suspension of disbelief is associated with Coleridge. The sonnet, The World is Too Much With Us, is written by Wordsworth, who called Shelley a beautiful but an ineffectual angel beating in the wind his luminous wings in vain. Who called so Shelley? Matthew Arnold called Shelley a beautiful but an ineffectual angel beating in the wind his luminous wings in vain. Adonais by Shelley is an elegy on Keats.
Keats, who asserted himself as a classicist in literature, royalist in politics, and Anglo-Catholic in religion. Who asserted? T.S. Eliot asserted himself. T.S. Eliot asserted himself. Wordsworth's The Lyrical Ballads was published in 1798 and generally considered to have marked the beginning of the English Romantic movement in literature. Which of the following writers writes uninhabitedly about his or her sexual relationships? Kamala Das. Kamala Das writes uninhabitedly about her sexual relationships. Which of the following writers is noted for what Keats called negative capability? Shakespeare. Shakespeare is noted for what Keats called negative capability. Bathsheba is the heroine of the novel Far from the Maiding Road. This is the fourth novel of Thomas Hardy, published in 1874 in Cornhill magazine. Which of the following epithets brings out the most characteristic quality of David Copperfield pinpointed by the majority of Dickens scholars? David Copperfield is an autobiographical novel. It is regarded by many as Dickens' masterpiece. With which of the following poets do we associate the pictorial quality of poetry? We associate the pictorial quality of poetry with Keats. Break, Break, Break was written on the death of Arthur Hallam. It is an elegy written by Tennyson. The name of Alfred Tennyson's famous elegy is In Memoriam. In Memoriam deals with the death of his friend Arthur Hallam. Shakespeare's sonnets are in the following form: 3 quatrains and a couplet. Shakespeare's sonnets are mostly divided into 3 quatrains and a final concluding couplet. Fill in the blank space by choosing the right answer. Blank space को भर दीजिए. 10 pounds is a lot of money. 10 pounds is a lot of money. जब किसी डिस्टेंस या अमाउंट को एक पूरे भाग के रूप में माना जाता है या एक यूनिट के रूप में माना जाता है तो वर्ब को सिंगुलर में रखते हैं. सिंगुलर में 10 पाउंड्स देखने में प्लूरल लग रहा है लेकिन एक यूनिट के रूप में माना जा रहा है, इसलिए यह सिंगुलर में रहेगा. सिंगुलर में. चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग. वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स हैज़ ए फाइन कलेक्शन ऑफ पोस्टेज स्टैम्प्स. वन ऑफ के बाद सिंगुलर वर्ब का प्रयोग करते हैं. सिंगुलर वर्ब का, क्योंकि इसमें एक मित्र की बात हो रही है. कईयों मित्र में से एक मित्र के पास डाक टिकटों का एक बढ़िया संग्रह है. इन विच कैटेगरी विल यू प्लेस आर्नोल्ड एज ए क्रिटिक? वी प्लेस आर्नोल्ड एज ए क्रिटिक इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ क्लासिस्ट. To strive, to seek, to find, and not to yield occurs in the poem Ulysses. The name of the protagonist of the Mayor of Casterbridge is Michael Henchard. What the Thunder Said is a section of the poem The Wasteland. The Wasteland. Trace in the following list the drama which T.S. Eliot did not write. The Ascent of F6 by W.H. Auden. Eliot wrote Cocktail Party, Family Reunion, Murder in the Cathedral. But he did not write The Ascent of F6 written by W.H. Auden. Which part of United States has been written about in Faulkner's fiction? The southern part. The southern part of the United States has been written about in Faulkner's fiction. Which of the following collections of poems was written by Kamala Das? Summer in Calcutta. Summer in Calcutta, the collection of the poems was written by Kamala Das. The Lotus Eaters was composed by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Alfred Tennyson. It was published in 1832 from Poetry Collection. T.S. Eliot migrated to England from USA in 1914. Dickens' A Tale of Two Cities refers to Paris and London. A Tale of Two Cities is a historical novel by Charles Dickens. Who among the following writers was a university professor of English? Nijim Ezekiel. Nijim Ezekiel was a university professor of English. John Keats died at the age of 26. He was born in 1795 and died in 1821. Who among the following writers has not won the Nobel Prize? Mulk Raj Anand has not won the Nobel Prize. Mulk Raj Anand has not won the Nobel Prize. T.S. Eliot has won the Nobel Prize in 1948. William Faulkner has won the Nobel Prize in 1950. Ernest Hemingway has won the Nobel Prize in 1954. Shakespeare Tragedy is written by A.C. Bradley. A.C. Bradley. Choose the right meaning of the word effeminate from the following. Effeminate means a man who is womanish in his habits. Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock opens with the line, "Let us go, then you and I." Who is called the prince among essayists? Charles Lamb is called the prince among essayists. Who composed the famous line, "If winter comes, can spring be far behind"? Shelley composed the famous line. This line is from the poem Ode to the West Wind. Which of the following essays is not written by Charles Lamb? Of Studies is not written by Charles Lamb. This is written by Francis Bacon. The Convalescence, Imperfect Sympathies, A Bachelor Complains are written by Charles Lamb.